This is the new Grease Lightning. What a phenomenal golf cart you have here. You ready to take on this slob over here?
I've been born ready. I'm ready to go, man.
So here's his cart.
What the hell is this? This ain't no golf cart. It used to be a golf cart. It's modified now. I don't even think it's street legal. It's street legal.
It's not golf course legal, and there's no place to put the bags.
There's bags. They're just hidden.
Oh, okay, I see. Well, we're still going to take you on. We're still going to beat you.
As long as you don't cheat like you did last time.
We don't cheat. No, never. You're the cheater.
Hey, we'll see about Leo. Hey, Leo, Batman called. He wants his car back. Well, I'm ready.
Okay, you ready, Cadet?
I've been ready.
Danny, you have to drive. Nikki can't drive. This is your race. Oh, Nick, I'm sorry.
But this is Kanicki's golf cart, and he's souped it up. He's ready to go.
But you won the race last time, Danny, remember?
Danny. I am so sick of you talking about Danny all the time. Always about him.
You never let me have any fun. Darn you.
But yes. Okay, Kanicki, let's go.
Hey, Danny. Won't start.
Come on, Leo. Start. Come on, you got it. Come on.
That's Leo. I bet you that Leo did something.
What?
Yeah, I wouldn't trust that.
Kanicki,
Put hair
you
straight.
screwed me again!
We got it. Tell you what, let me drive this time. Let me take over. I can make this thing happen.
Okay, you go get him, Junior.
There we go. Start your engines.
Are you? Wait a minute. Hang on. Let's see something here.